Aerial view of Bangladesh Secretariat, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Vehicular security check through car scanner in entry area. Emergency vehicular access in the internal road. It needs a minimum height clearance. Planning and positioning of home security cameras. anti-drone systems for detection, verification and neutralization of unauthorized drones. Our experts develop modular, multi-layered anti-drone systems and countermeasures delivering comprehensive solutions for airports, critical infrastructures, military bases and national events against evolving drone threats. Anti-drone systems provides a multi-layered and modular anti-drones technology solution including detection, jamming and counter-drone systems.
Perimeter intrusion detection system that detects and locates attempts to cut, climb, or otherwise break through a perimeter fence. Flex Zone combines many of the most advanced security features into a single, cost-effective solution. Unlike less advanced solutions on the market, Flex Zone uses software-defined zones. Each processor supports up to 60 zones, all independently adjustable and readily integrated with cameras for complete coverage. Flex Zone covers 2,000 feet or 600 meters per processor and locates intrusions within 10 feet or 3 meters. Industry-leading performance at a fraction of the cost.